What is business intelligence, BI? In today's data-driven world, businesses generate huge amounts of data every day, from sales transactions and customer interactions to marketing campaigns and supply chain operations. Business intelligence, BI, is the process that helps organizations make sense of this data and turn it into meaningful insights. Understanding business intelligence. Business intelligence refers to a set of tools, technologies, and practices used to collect, analyze, and present business data. The main goal of BI is to support better decision-making. Instead of relying on guesswork or intuition, managers and teams can use data-backed insights to plan strategies and solve problems. How does BI work? BI works by gathering data from different sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and online systems. This data is then cleaned, analyzed, and displayed in easy-to-understand formats like dashboards, charts, and reports. These visual tools help users quickly see trends, patterns, and performance results. Why is business intelligence important? Business intelligence helps organizations make informed and faster decisions, identify market trends and customer behavior, improve operational efficiency, reduce risks and costs, measure performance against goals. With BI, businesses can clearly understand what is happening now and predict what might happen in the future. Examples of business intelligence. Some common BI applications include sales reports showing monthly or yearly performance, customer analysis to understand buying preferences, financial dashboards tracking profits and expenses, inventory analysis to manage stock levels. Popular BI tools include Power BI, Tableau, and QLick. Business intelligence is a powerful approach that transforms raw data into valuable information. By using BI, organizations can improve decision-making, stay competitive, and achieve their business goals more effectively. In simple terms, BI helps businesses turn data into smarter actions.